Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with another NovaTech video. And today we're going to talk about this Forex and crypto trading platform. And I want to answer this one question that a lot of people ask when they get into opportunities. They want to know how much can they make, how much money that they can produce from different opportunities that they're in. And I'm here to answer that today because again, that is one of the most common questions that I receive when people want to know, basically how much can they earn. And so for those that don't know, NovaTech is a Forex and crypto trading platform. It's been around now for over 3 years. The person that introduced me to this opportunity has been in it for a year. I didn't join right away because I know a lot of opportunities that are here today and gone tomorrow. I wanted to give it some time, but not only that, do my due diligence and make sure that this was an opportunity that I can basically promote and be involved with for the long term. I'm not looking for something that's here today and then tomorrow you go to click on the website and it no longer exists. And I know there's a lot of people that can relate to that have been in opportunities where you're looking to have longevity with the opportunity. You love the opportunity, but for some reason it just crashed and burned. So with NovaTech, I decided to get in again because of the history that NovaTech has. The people that have joined the opportunity, I know that they are very transparent and also serious about business. Okay. So, what we're going to do is we're going to look at this NovaTech calculator that will basically give you an idea of what can happen when you allow your money to compound. And for people that don't know what that means, that's basically just putting in a certain amount of money and then allowing the interest to compound to make you even more money, turning a dollar into two or two into three and so forth. And one of the things that I want everyone to know is that I am not a financial advisor. I'm here to just give you some information based off of what I've known from the website. Now, if you want to look at this compound calculator again, all you need to do is click on the description below, excuse me, and you will see the link that can take you to this compound calculator if you want to watch the video and also get some information about trying a calculator and see what it can do for you. So what I'm going to do is just click here, and when you come here you can click on this try the calculator, and what it's going to do is it's going to bring up this compound interest calculator. Now, one of the things that I want to let you guys know is that this compound calculator is not affiliated with NovaTech. NovaTech is just using this information to give you an idea of what can happen when you allow your revenue to compound over the matter of weeks, months, and years. Okay, so we're going to look at the compound interest in US currency. And let's just say here you started out with $100. We're going to type in $100 here. We're going to do a conservative rate of 3%, and we're going to do this for weekly because they do compound on a weekly basis. So you'll see your amounts growing week by week. Okay, we're going to do this over the course of 1 year, and then what we want to do is we want to just hit calculate. Now, when you calculate, here is your future investment value, which would be $433. And that's just off of a $100 initial investment. Okay, so the interest that you earn will be $333. Now, for some people, they're going to invest more. Some people are going to invest less. It's really up to you. Put in what you feel comfortable with. There's no right or wrong answer when it comes to what you want to invest. So now if we put here in 1,000 and hit this calculator button, now we have $3,334.52. That's the amount of interest earned just off of a $1,000 initial investment. Okay. And what we're doing is we're just compounding it. So right down here, you can see what happens as the interest accrues for each and every month. So here you got 130 from your $1,000 investment. Then you have 146, then 166. And as you can see, it's continuously growing. And then down here, it gives you your final balance. Okay. And again, this is just what you have earned from your initial $1,000 investment. Now, you have some people that may say, you know what, I want to invest a little bit more. Maybe they put in 3,500. Okay. So, here for people that do the $3,500 initial investment, you're going to have a total interest earned of $11,670. Okay. And this is just from your one initial investment of 3,500. So as we can see, this can grow pretty good, just by allowing your money to compound on a weekly basis. Okay. And again, each week you'll see this continuously compounding. And one of the things that you can do is you can either pull it or you can continue to let it compound. So, with that said, NovaTech is a trading platform. This can be a very passive opportunity if that's just what you decide to do. And like I had said before, they do have a referral program. So if you decide you want to bring people in to earn even more and be able to earn from 7 income streams that NovaTech has within the system, you can do that by sharing the information with other people and just by compounding your profits from the people that join this opportunity. Now, you can just share this with friends and family, or if you want, you can take it to the internet and start sharing it with people who are into crypto trading, and want to look for another source of income or another income stream. Okay. So they do have the referral program. You can click here to learn more. And what it's going to do is bring up information about the referral program. Okay. So here is another video about the affiliate referral program, getting started right. There's some documents that you can view. And then basically here it just says to get back to the person that shared this information with you so you can go ahead and get started, because this page is just giving generic information. It doesn't give the ID number and all of that good stuff for the person that may have sent you the link to this opportunity. But you can click here to get the referral rewards program, and it shows you basically how you can get paid. And not only that, the 7 income streams that is available for you when you decide to become an active affiliate member. Okay, so when you become an affiliate for NovaTech, you can start being rewarded for bringing other people to be a part of this platform. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. As far as what you can earn, there's no right or wrong answer to this. It depends on what you put into it. It depends on whether or not you're going to refer people. It depends on how much money you put into the system and how much of it you allow to compound every single week. And what you'll notice is that that number will fluctuate depending on the percentage that NovaTech is paying out from week to week. On average, it has been 3%. That can change. It can go up or it can go down. There's no like set number of what you're going to receive. But what I do know is as the company continues to grow and more people start to become a part of this opportunity, the sky is the limit. And then again, I'm just really confident with this opportunity because it's been around for 3 years, and the person that sponsored me into this opportunity has been doing very well with it for over a year. So again, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this information. I hope that the calculator and the compounding portion that we went over helps you to understand how the compounding effect works and how it can significantly help you to increase your income, again, depending on how much you actually add to your NovaTech account. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to receive more videos about this opportunity, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a great day.